Welcome back to Viva Las Collins. Fall is my favorite season. I love the weather, I love the foods, especially pumpkin spice. And today we are kicking off pumpkin spice season with some low carb pumpkin spice pancakes that your whole family is gonna love. Let's get to it. All right, so I've got my ingredients all measured out. Let's get to it. All right, I've got 4 eggs. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 stick, that's 8 tablespoons of melted butter that is slightly cooled. I've got a 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. Now make sure that you don't get pumpkin pie mix, just the pumpkin puree is what you want. And a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna whisk all these together to get them really nicely incorporated. All right, now I'm gonna turn my attention to my dry ingredients. I already have 2 cups of finely ground almond flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 tablespoons of erythritol sweetener. You can use the sweetener of your choice. I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just gonna use a fork to blend these all together really well. All right, once that's nice and mixed, I'm gonna add it to my wet ingredients. And I'll stir these up to combine. All right, I've got my griddle preheated to about 350 degrees. And I'm just gonna spread some butter on here just to give it nice and greased up. And I've got a 1/3 cup measuring cup here that I'm gonna use to spoon out my batter into pancakes. So I'm just gonna kind of use the cup to spread it around into a nice circle, as close as you can get. So now that I have all my pancakes on the pan, I'm gonna let them sit for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna flip them over and let them finish on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna check and just see how golden it is. Looks just about perfect. As you can see, they're golden brown all over, nice and firm. Now we just need to let them finish on the other side. All right, looks like they're done. Let's plate these up. All right, I've got my finished stack of pancakes here, which I've topped with some fresh butter and my very favorite sugar-free maple syrup, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. I can't wait to give these a try. They smell absolutely amazing. The pumpkin, cinnamon, that pumpkin pie spice, it all comes through so well. These are a perfect way to kick off fall in your house, even if it's still 90 degrees like it is here in Las Vegas. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Leave us a comment below. Let us know if you tried it, if you liked it, if it worked, or even if it didn't work for you. Leave us some suggestions on what you want to see us whip up in our kitchen or any other content you want to see. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything new. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe, and join the Viva Las Collins family. Thanks.